fixed all the little rattles and leaks on the exhaust pipe with some high heat silicone. Kind of a janky fix, but it sounds way better. Minus the kickstand. Way quieter. Sounds way better.